NASA went looking for one thing and found something else, something that didn't fit the models, didn't match the data, and raised questions no one expected. From deep space signals to strange structures and unexplained readings, this is a story of what NASA found and why it changed the conversation. This isn't science fiction. It's the moments that made scientists stop and look again. For decades, NASA's mission has been simple in theory and complex in reality. Explore the universe, understand it, and report what the data shows. But space does not always behave as expected. Sometimes, discoveries don't fit the rules we've built. And when that happens, the answers are rarely immediate. Over the years, NASA instruments have detected signals and observations that force scientists to pause. Not because they proved something extraordinary, but because they couldn't be easily explained. Unusual radio bursts, objects moving in unexpected ways, heat signatures where none should exist, and formations that resemble patterns rather than randomness. One of the most discussed moments came when astronomers detected repeating signals from deep space. Fast radio bursts were once thought to be single events, but repeats challenged that idea. NASA scientists emphasized natural explanations, magnetars, neutron stars, yet admitted the behavior was unusual. The universe was reminding us how little we truly understand. Then there were anomalies closer to home. Mars imagery revealed shapes that sparked debate, not proof, but curiosity. Rocks arranged in ways that seemed deliberate. Atmospheric changes that didn't align perfectly with models. NASA clarified that perception plays tricks on the human brain, but also acknowledged that Mars still holds surprises. In our own solar system, probes detected chemical signatures where they were not expected. Plumes on icy moons. Organic molecules drifting through space. Each discovery came with careful wording. Interesting, unexpected, worthy of further study. Scientists are trained to be cautious, but caution itself can be revealing. Perhaps the most unexpected findings are not objects, but absences. Missing heat where stars should glow. Dark regions that bend light. Data gaps that suggest forces we cannot yet measure. NASA's role is not to speculate wildly, it is to observe. And sometimes observation alone is unsettling. What the public often misses is that science advances through surprises. Models are broken, assumptions are challenged, and explanations evolve. When NASA says unexpected, it does not mean extraordinary claims. It means reality disagreed with prediction. And that is where curiosity lives. Because if the universe can surprise the most advanced space agency on Earth, then there is far more left to discover than we ever imagined. NASA didn't find answers. They found questions. And in space, questions are where discovery begins. This is Mental Documentary. If this documentary made you curious about what's out there, subscribe, like, and stay wondering. Because the universe isn't done surprising us.